Hey y'all! Welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. With a few simple ingredients, we're going to try to create a delicious dessert. I have a little bit of my homemade pie dough here. I'm not the best with the butter, pie dough, pastry situations. I have a bit of a Granny Smith apple here. We're just going to slice it really thin. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know how good it's going to be, if it's even good. Really thin, y'all. Now this knife is way too tiny, but we're just gonna do it. I already had the oven going, so I'm gonna try to just throw this in. If it works, it's gonna be amazing. If not, it's just a little bit of pie dough I already had in the freezer that I wanted to try something with. I'm gonna try to make two little pastry situations. I'll try to eat this one. I don't really like green apples. Pretty good, not too tart. Too much skin. This is a bit of a bruised up bit. I'm gonna put a slice of butter on there, about 1/3 tablespoon, so a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna put a little pinch of cinnamon and a little pinch of brown sugar. I'm not gonna cook it besides what it needs to bake at, and hopefully it comes out delicious. It's only gonna make 2 of these because it's not much of the pie dough. I'm gonna cut most of the skin off of that and chop this. Try this one again. Not bad. Alright, y'all. I still need it. No, I'll use this. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna lightly cut this in half. I laminated my dough. Folded it, rolled it out, folded it, rolled it out, rolled it out many times. Pinch these little seams. Okay. We're gonna go down with our butter. Leave the edge open. Sprinkle a little cinnamon. Hopefully that's enough. We love cinnamon. Cover that butter up. Now this brown sugar is super dark, so it's super molassesy. It's not really my favorite, but that's okay. I could just add regular sugar to it. Got a little sugar, cinnamon, butter. I might need to cut these in half. Let's cut them in half. I don't think we'll need too many apples. And I've never made this before. We're just giving it a try. Alright, let's fold it over. Oh boy. Pinch the sides carefully. Oh boy. Oh boy, y'all. Already got a crack. I'll just patch it. Fold her over. Carefully pinch them seams. And we're going to get a fork. Now this has so much butter. I don't think we'll need to give it a brush or nothing. Might want to give it a little vent hole. Cute. Then we're gonna seal this bit. I'm gonna bake them up right on this parchment paper. Oh boy. It's like a little hand pie. You can feel me crunching into them apples. Oh boy. Oh boy. I've gone a little wild with it now. Alright, y'all. We're going to throw this in the oven. I have it already at 350. We're going to bake it in there for a little bit and see what happens. Put it on my pan here. Throw her in. Alright, y'all. Here's these two little cutie pies out of the oven. Hopefully they're cooked enough. If not, we'll do them up like a toaster strudel and pop them in the air fryer toaster in the morning. Nice caramelization of that sugar. It didn't pinch together too good, but they look beautiful. Cute. Alright, y'all. These weren't great, but I didn't mind it too bad. My husband didn't really like it. It's got a good flavor, and the apples are pretty good, but the dough, I'm not very good at pie dough. It tastes good, but the texture is not right. So I'll try these in the morning. They'll probably be really good, or with some ice cream on top. I actually just made some vanilla bean ice cream. It was absolutely delicious. That's like my husband's favorite flavor, vanilla bean. He really enjoys when I make that, so probably be good with that, but I have something else that I want to try. Stay tuned, y'all. Check out our channel for more inspiration if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, y'all. Bon appetit.